the start of last year, I wanted to see and explore Australia, travelling to some of the most vibrant landscapes and unique experiences that I will always remember. So let's start right at the beginning. I had just landed in South Australia and I was so excited to go and explore. I had booked a bus to take me to Coober Alice Springs, and then 3 nights outback camping under the stars. It was absolute magic. Heading further north, I saw a 4.5 metre croc.
This is why you don't go in the water.
He's just there on the bank.
How cool is that?
Getting back to Melbourne, I had so many more places I wanted to see and explore. October came around and I wanted to get back out there onto the open road. It was a journey of finding that perfect photograph, but at the same time, it was getting out into the nature and experiencing life.